Impressive tech is everywhere, but trustworthy tech is rare. Today, just the real story, a company with nearly 30 years in clean power. When it promises home green energy, where does that certainty come from? This is where every product gets tested before it reaches your home. Tina, Sungrow has been dedicated to residential green energy for over 20 years. That's a long time in this industry. How does that translate into certainty in our R&D?
We draw confidence from our nearly 30 years of technical know-how in renewable energy, and we hold firm actions as we keep moving forward to our commitment to the residential field.
So, large-scale power plant expertise is a springboard?
Exactly. Residential energy solutions are never just shrinking the power plants. We need a dedicated, professional R&D system tailored for residential scenarios.
What does that look like in practice?
3 core pillars. The first is deep roots. From our first residential inverter to today's complete home energy ecosystem. One independent team, nothing but residential. The second is deep testing. We have 900 square meters professional laboratory, including exploring testing, EMC testing, module-level diagnostics, and so on. The third is deep foresight. Our advanced technologies, like the active safety protection, the high-efficiency topology and algorithm, the AI energy forecasting, the PV storage charging integration, and so on.
So the logic is clear. Nearly 30 years of technical depth as the foundation, and our ongoing residential focus as the commitment.
The professionalism we gained in large-scale power plants creates an unmatchable competitive edge. Our dedicated residential R&D means we truly understand the home green energy.
The certainty of technology lives in the laboratory. The certainty of system lives in everyday life.
R&D is the foundation. What matters in life is another story. I sum up the things of certainty in 4 moments. The first moment, the day it is installed, you are not choosing parts to piece together. You are choosing a system designed to work together from day one. One brand, one platform, one application. The installation itself gives you certainty. The smart home energy manager plugs and play. No rewiring, battery storage stacks like building blocks. The backup solution hides within the compact space of the distribution box, cutting installation time by hour. The second moment, every day. Jeff, Sungrow has just launched the Smart Module in June. How does the new product give users certainty every single day?
We distilled the capability of smart modules into 5 self-functions: self-diagnosis, self-ISD, self-cleaning, self-calling, self-logging. Every self means one less thing for the user to worry about. A family level has to guess what is happening on the roof. When the data is transparent, the mind is at ease.
For our home energy storage system, the intelligent management gives users the certainty and full visibility into where every kilowatt-hour energy comes from and where it goes, maximizing the value of every kilowatt-hour. The third moment, the moment the power goes out. Energy Bridge, our newly launched mini backup power solution. It hides inside the distribution box. You never see it, but at the moment the grid blackout, lights stay on, fridge keeps running, Wi-Fi never drops. The fourth moment, 10 years from now. Families change, kids grow up, and EV enters the garage. Power demand doubles or triples. Our system goes with you. Battery stacks flexibly. Old and new modules work together without performance loss. The system evolves. Your home evolves with it.
4 moments. Certain when installed, certain every day, certain when the power fails, certain 10 years from now.
The certainty of system lives in everyday life. The certainty of local presence lives in homes, in every corner of the world. Now, let's hear from Australia.
Hi Scott, it's good to see you.
Again.
Yeah,
yes, welcome to
yeah.
Taxi.
Okay, thanks. Sungrow Australia was established in 2012. We already have more than 500,000 homeowners in Australia who are using Sungrow products. So Richard, you are our long-term loyal business partner. Could you share with us what special things you are looking for on Sungrow products?
Well, yes. The first thing that is important to us is the clients. We make sure that all the products we are selling meet all public standards and also changing demands. And that happens frequently. Sungrow, you are monitoring these standards and your products meet the regulation and standards. And more recently, the ability to control the functioning. And that's become something really important now. We have surplus solar energy available often in the evening, being able to suck that up and back charge from it, and then later the evening dispatch back to working on something.
That's true. I agree with you.
We've been after a lot from Sungrow, especially our technicians. We call out their secretaires and know that they're dealing with someone who is on sword. One thing is that you have the biggest technical team in Australia. And the second thing is that all engineers are great engineers.
I'm very confident to say that we have the biggest technical support team in Australia. They all have relevant experiences. They are all in-house engineers. We don't use subcontractors or external services.
Yeah, so we really appreciate that.
Thank you, Richard. Thank you for time.
Local presence, global capability, home warmth. That's what families expect from green energy. Trustworthy, worry-free. Sungrow brings green energy for every family.